As organisations, I'm assuming that you're coming from the point that you want to improve performance. And certainly when we work with organisations, what we want to do is improve performance. So for me, when I'm looking at performance, I'm thinking about service, what we're here to do from a customer's point of view. We're looking to hopefully improve efficiency. And for me, efficiency means, I guess, how much effort goes in to getting what people want, how much effort do the customers need to put in, how much effort does an organisation need to put in. One of the first things that we'll talk about when we talk to senior leaders about what does performance mean, then predictably they'll talk about costs and revenue. And then, of course, morale. Not the first thing always in people's minds, but it's amazing how we apply this Vanguard method. We never set out to improve morale, but we get these bunch of people who are saying, this is really good, why didn't we do this in the first place? So we're trying to improve performance. We understand that the key lever to improve performance is in the end-to-end system, or the way that we design and manage work. So when we're talking about what is the Vanguard method, part of the Vanguard method will be we need to understand what's going on in the system, what's happening in the design and management of work. And we'll use a framework to try to understand that. So we'll talk about customer's perspective. What's your purpose? We need to go and study demand. You've heard a lot about this already, but this is just trying to outline what the Vanguard method is. So when we go to study demand, what are we learning? What are the types and frequencies of demand that are coming in? How often do we get these? Are they value demand? Are they failure demand? And what matters from a customer's point of view? Because if we can get there, if we can understand why we're here and what customers want us to do, then we're able to put some sensible measures around understanding how good the system is at responding to what the customers want. That kind of naturally takes us into the flow of the work. How long is it taking and why, and how much waste have we got? And you get a general picture then as to what the system looks like. And then we start thinking, well, why does it look that way? What's in the system to make that happen? So we're constantly trying to understand the design and management of work. What sits across the design and management of work is the way that we think. So we'll constantly go back to, well, if it looks like that, why is that? What's in our mind to make that happen? With a view to, if we can understand the performance, and we can go and study the design and management of work, and it's making us get to a point of that's happening because we think this way, if we can change the way that we think, then what we'll be able to do is design work differently, and we'll get a different level of performance.